Hello everyone, if you have an HDZero VRX or probably the goggles, you would know that you have a real-time clock inside of your system. And for this one, I think I already depleted the battery of the real-time clock. So most of my recordings are already dated back 2021 or 2022. So in this video, I will show you how to replace the battery of your real-time clock inside your HDZero VRX. And this could be done as well on a Shark Bite, if I'm not mistaken. You would need this coin lithium battery. This is a CR1220 1220. So you need this very small battery so that the real-time clock of this HDZero will always be correct and it will save all of your settings. As you can see here, that is the battery that we need to replace. So you need a Phillips, is it a Phillips screw? The cross. So you just need to open the VRX from all of these screws so that you have access to the battery inside. So this will be my first time to open up this VRX, and of any devices that uses button type battery, you really need to replace it from time to time. And since I have been using this VRX constantly, I think I drained the battery, so I have to really replace it. It's just around $2 or less than $2 in the Philippines, so you can easily buy it online, or sometimes this is being sold on a repair shop of watches. So it's easily accessible right now. But before, when I was a kid, it's a bit difficult to buy these types of batteries because it's around $5, $4 to $5 for one battery. So it is really overpriced. But now it's really accessible to anyone. Okay, so I think I need to remove also this mount, because I think, is it connected? Yeah, I think it is connected. Just remove all of the SMA port just to make sure that, yeah, it is connected. So we will need a hex. Just need to remove this. Okay. Okay, so we're able to remove the screw from the mount, and we will try to see if we can. So there you go. Okay, so this is the HDZero VRX, and you can easily remove the button battery by stripping it away. Then so we were able to remove the battery. I just use probably a needle or something small or pointy, then just put it at this part of the battery so you can put some tension in this copper, that copper, then you can be able to remove this old battery. So we will replace it with this new one. Same, you just need to put it in that manner. So that's how you replace the battery of your HDZero VRX, and you have to return back everything again. Okay, it's an easy task. You can do it on your own. Okay, if you're having trouble doing this, try to ask someone who has some knowledge on screws, because it's really easy. Okay, put it here. Actually, if you bought your VRX, DVMAT included one extra battery, so that you can easily replace it without buying a new 1220 battery. So if you have trouble on your real-time clock, this is the way to fix it. Okay, so look at your box, try to find an extra battery, because DVMAT supplied it when they sent you over this HDZero VRX. So that's how you replace the 1220 battery, and how you fix the real-time clock of your HDZero VRX system. As always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.